Have you ever opened your freezer expecting fresh meat or vegetables, only to find everything covered in freezer burn? Or maybe you've thrown away expensive groceries simply because they didn't stay fresh long enough. Food waste adds up quickly, but the right vacuum sealer can completely change the way you store food. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Liwunon Powerful Suction Vacuum Sealer machine to see if it really lives up to its promises. The Liwunon Vacuum Sealer is designed for meal preppers, busy families, hunters, home cooks, and anyone who buys groceries in bulk. Instead of letting food spoil after just a few days, this machine helps remove air from specially designed vacuum bags, extending freshness and reducing freezer burn. It also comes packed with thoughtful features like built-in bag storage, an integrated cutter, multiple sealing modes, and one-touch controls. If you're interested in checking it out, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first impression is a good one. The black finish gives the machine a sleek, modern appearance that fits nicely on most kitchen countertops without looking overly industrial. Although it offers commercial-style performance, the overall design remains approachable for everyday home use. One feature that immediately stands out is the easy lock handle. Instead of wrestling with the lid to create a proper seal, you can lock it with one hand, making the process much faster and less frustrating. Another thoughtful addition is the built-in bag storage compartment and integrated bag cutter. Rather than searching through drawers for vacuum bags and scissors every time you want to preserve food, everything is conveniently built into the machine. The included starter bag rolls also allow you to create custom-sized bags, reducing waste and making it easier to package everything from small portions of berries to larger cuts of meat. Performance is where the Liwunon really earns its place. The powerful suction motor removes air quickly and consistently, producing tight, secure seals that help protect food from freezer burn. Whether you're sealing fresh chicken, steaks, vegetables, seafood, coffee beans, or leftovers, the vacuum process feels reliable and efficient. The manufacturer claims it can seal up to 50 bags in around 20 minutes. And while most home users won't process that many at once, it's reassuring to know the machine is built to handle larger meal prep sessions without slowing down. One feature that makes everyday use especially convenient is the selection of 6 sealing modes. Instead of forcing every type of food through the same process, you can choose dedicated settings for dry foods, moist foods, vacuum only, seal only, canisters, or marinating. Moist foods like fresh meat or cooked meals benefit from the specialized sealing mode, while dry foods such as pasta, nuts, and grain seal quickly without unnecessary adjustments. Having dedicated buttons for each task makes the machine feel much less intimidating for first-time users. Another advantage is the dual heat sealing system. Rather than creating a single sealing strip, the machine produces a double seal that provides extra confidence during long-term freezer storage. This becomes especially valuable when preserving expensive cuts of meat or preparing meals weeks in advance. Strong, wrinkle-free seals reduce the chances of accidental leaks that can compromise food quality over time. Cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly straightforward. Since most of the work happens inside the vacuum bag, the machine itself rarely gets messy. Any moisture around the sealing area can usually be wiped away with a damp cloth, and because the controls are simple and clearly labeled, there isn't much of a learning curve before everything becomes second nature. Of course, no product is perfect. Like any vacuum sealer, it works best when paired with compatible vacuum bags rather than ordinary storage bags. It also occupies more counter space than compact entry-level models because of its built-in storage and cutter. However, those extra features also eliminate clutter and make the overall experience much more convenient for people who vacuum seal regularly. If you're ready to keep your groceries fresher for longer and get more value from every shopping trip, this vacuum sealer is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.